Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Periscope Zoom Camera on your REALME GT8 Pro. So first of all, let's open the native camera application on this smartphone, and after that select the photo mode if you want to capture a photo, or video if you want to record a video. In both of these modes we'll be able to select the zoom level by either tapping on the zoom levels available. If you want to use wide view camera, tap on 0.6 zoom. If you want to switch lenses to zoom in, then switch either two options, 2, 3 or 6 options to use to zoom in on the photo, and this way you'll be able to take photos in a great resolution with an optical zoom. But of course you can manually increase the zoom above these levels just by pinching outward like this. You can increase the zoom level up to 120 x. In this case the phone will be using AI stabilization to increase images quality. So if the photo is taken now with such a zoom, then the AI of the phone will automatically adjust the photo quality. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Now in order to make photos more stable, I recommend either using a tripod or keeping your phone as steady as possible, and let your phone stay in the same position even after the photo was done for best post-processing of the photo. And also follow the instructions that you see on your smartphone screen. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.